Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram voice messages not playing or working on your iPhone. If your audio messages just won't play or you are not hearing anything, don't worry, I'll have got you covered. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Check silent mode and volume. Fix make sure iPhone isn't in silent mode. Flip the switch on the left side of your iPhone. If it's orange, silent mode is on. Turn it off. Then press the volume up button a few minutes to make sure your volume is high enough. Try playing the voice message again. Solution 2. Restart the Instagram app. Sometimes the app just glitches. Close Instagram app completely. Swipe up from the bottom and clear it from recent apps. Then reopen it. Try playing the voice message again. Solution 3. Check Bluetooth devices. If your AirPod or Bluetooth speaker are connected, the sound might be playing through them. Swipe down to open the control center. Then tap Bluetooth and turn it off temporarily to play through your iPhone speaker. Solution 4. Check microphone and audio permissions. Instagram need microphone and audio permissions to play and record voice messages. Open Settings app. Then tap on Apps. Swipe down and find and tap on Instagram. Then tap Microphone and make sure it's turned on. Solution 5. Update Instagram. An outdated app can cause playback issues. Go to App Store. Then search Instagram. Here update if a new version is available. Solution 6. Reinstall Instagram. If nothing else works, delete Instagram and reinstall it. Press and hold the app. Then tap Remove app. Tap Delete app. Again tap on Delete to confirm. After that, reinstall from the App Store. Log back in and try sending or listening to our voice messages again. And that's it. One of these fixes should get your Instagram voice messages working again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.